Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do another review on the stuff that I just bought a few minutes ago. I just uploaded the video on my channel about these two boxes right here that I picked up at Target. This one says At Home Luxuries. And then this one here, it was a really big heavy box. It says Fresh Fields. No, Fresh Finds, I'm sorry. This one was really heavy too. And they have like a whole bunch of samples and stuff. This one, it came with a weird, some kind of stone. It wasn't included in there. I don't know if somebody took something out and then put it in there. I have no idea what it was. So I threw it away. And then in this box, there was like a little rubber face mask that covers your whole face, but it's just rubber. And I don't know if you have to put on your own skincare products and then wear the mask, or if it's just something strange about it. I don't know. I just threw them two away. But with these products that I got in both boxes, including two coupons. Each box has a $5 coupon off of certain things, whatever you want to pick up. I didn't read the coupon yet. So I don't know if you have to spend a certain amount or it's only on one item. I don't know. But a couple of mistakes that I said, like some things I thought it was something else and then blah, blah, blah. So I really looked at all the stuff and I'm going to explain and tell you what they were. Now, I don't remember which one was in which because I took them out earlier. So go look at my previous video, but some of them I thought it was for something else and it wasn't. Okay, so let's get started again. It came with this little tiny trial size. Whoops, sorry guys. This little tiny trial size of Olay body wash. So it's like a small little trial size body wash, and then it came with this Shea Moisture little tiny normal little trial size body lotion. You go throw this in your bag, use it on your body and your hands, whatever you want to do with it. Then this one here was a little tiny, this is a dry shampoo. So this is like a real tiny little dry shampoo. And then this one earlier, I didn't know what this was because I was trying to zoom it in because all these products are new to me. And I couldn't read the things. It wasn't zooming in and I couldn't, I didn't want to open it up and stuff. So after researching and looking at this is a real coconut. See how it says creamy coconut? It's a real coconut hemp seed deodorant. And this is from Tom's of Maine. And I kept thinking it was Bird Bees. I'm sorry. It's Tom's of Maine. And this is a coconut, like real deodorant. So that's what that is. It's a stick deodorant. Then this here I got in one of the boxes. This is like a collagen peptide. It's unflavored. Like a powder form. You put it in your drink. It's like a vitamin supplement. You put this in your drinks. You could put it in your soda. You could put it in your water. Whatever you want to do with it. Your fruit smoothies. And this is good for the body, especially collagen. So that's what that is. Then this one here is like a little face serum thing they gave me. It's like a nice little bottle. It's for the skin. It gives it a glow. It's got different stuff in there. And then they gave me this big sample right here. This is a toothpaste. So this is what it looks like in the one box. So I'm not saying, I don't know if each box is different every time you buy them at Target. I don't know if they all have the same similar products or they change them up. But in my boxes, this is the stuff that I got. This is a nice big size tube of this toothpaste. I think it's from a brand called Theory. And let's see if it zooms in. I know it's a mint one, so that was nice. Sorry, guys. I'm recording with one hand, so it's like hard to. So that came in the box for that one. And then this, I thought it was for the hair because it said texturizing balm. And I was like talking really quickly. And like I said, I'm new to these things. I didn't know exactly what this was. This is an actual face cream. So it's a texturizing, like a moisturizing actual face cream. And this is what it looks like. It's in a nice box. It's brand new. And this is a full size. It's real big and heavy. I didn't open it yet, so I don't know what it smells like. But this is an actual face cream. Okay, and I thought it was a hair product. So that was, Then this was a little tiny little shampoo bar. So this is a brand new little shampoo bar. And this is tea tree and mint. It says scalp and soothing. And they must have been reading my mind because I love mint and I love tea tree. So that's a shampoo bar. And then this one here, this is like a hydrating eye cream. And then this pack they gave me in the box was a hair mask. It's called Hair Food, and it's a smoothing, dye-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, argan oil and avocado hair mask. And then this one here, I thought this was like a whitening wand for your teeth, you know, because like I said, I was rushing. I didn't know exactly what this was. It says lightening wand. This is for dark spots of your skin, to brighten your skin. So that's what that is. It's not for your teeth. This is for your face. It's for dark spots. And then this one here, they gave me a sample of this peel off mask. Then right here, they give you a little tiny brightening facial scrub. So it's nice in a little pouch. And then these are like full size. This is a nice big bottle. And this is witch hazel. This is, let me see. It says, okay, let me see if it zooms in. I believe this is a toner. Yeah, it's an alcohol-free toner. It says with rose, because I was waiting to zoom it in. Okay, so this is like a rose witch hazel, and witch hazel is really good for the skin. That's a face toner. Sorry, guys. And then the last big full-size bottle is this, this is the Palmer's. This is cocoa butter formula, but this is hemp oil, calming relief body oil. So this is good for soothing dry skin and all that good stuff. I like to use bath oils in the shower. So, yeah, that's all the stuff that I got in both boxes. And it came with coupons. And like I said, there was some weird object in there, but I threw it away. I don't know if somebody took something and then, But each box was $15 a piece. So that's what the products are in here, guys. So, anyway, thanks for watching this quick little review. I will be doing more stuff soon. If there's any videos that I've done and you want to know about the product or advice on it or my comments on it or whatever, let me know down below. I will definitely do a video for you if you want. But anyway, thanks for watching this review on the Target beauty boxes, and I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.